Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Cube root of a to the power of 2x positive 3 equals to square root of a to the power of x raised to 2. In the equation above, a is a positive number. What is the value of x? Okay, in the given equation, we have to solve for x. Okay, let me write the given equation as it is. That is cube root of a to the power of 2x positive 3 equals to square root of a to the power of x negative 2. Okay, here in our first step, what we can do is we can write the radicals on both sides as exponents. Okay, here we have the radical with index 3. When I write this radical as an exponent, then the exponent will be a fraction with numerator 1, and the denominator of this fraction has to be the index of the radical, that is 3. Okay, now let's do the same thing on the right side as well. Okay, let me write this radical as an exponent, then it will be a fraction with numerator 1. The denominator has to be the index of the radical. Since this is a square root, the index of this radical is 2, so the denominator over here has to be 2. Okay, here we have a power is raised to another power. Whenever a power is raised to another power, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents using the power of a power rule in exponents. Then we get, we have to multiply this 2x positive 3 and 1 over 3. When I multiply this 2x positive 3 and 1 over 3, this 2x positive 3 has to be multiplied by this denominator 1. Then I'm getting 2x positive 3 divided by 3. We have to do the same thing on the right side as well. That is, we have to multiply these two exponents. So when I multiply these two exponents, I have to multiply this x negative 2 by the numerator 1. Then I'm getting x negative 2 divided by 2. Okay, here two powers are equal with the same base. That is, we have base a on the left side, base a on the right side. Whenever two powers are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. When I do so, I am getting 2x positive 3 over 3 equals to x negative 2 over 2. Okay, now we have to solve for x in this equation. Let me do cross multiplication. That is, the numerator on the left side has to be multiplied by the denominator on the right side, and the numerator on the right side has to be multiplied by the denominator on the left side. Okay, when I do so, I'm getting 2 times 2x positive 3 equals to 3 times x negative 2. Okay, now we can distribute this 2 to this 2x and positive 3. Then I'm getting 4x positive 6. Okay, on the right side, we can distribute this 3 to this x and negative 2. Then I'm getting 3x negative 6. Okay, let me subtract 3x from both sides of this equation. When I do so, this positive 3x, negative 3x will cancel out. When I combine positive 4x, negative 3x, I'm getting x and positive 6 on the left side. On the right side, we have negative 6. Okay, now let me subtract 6 from both sides of this equation. Then the positive 6, negative 6 will cancel out. I'm getting x on the left side. On the right side, when I combine negative 6 and negative 6, I'm getting negative 12. Okay, here I got the value of x. It is negative 12. We find this negative 12 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.